remember the last time I've seen one of these. Check this one out. 1959 Oldsmobile Super 88 two-door hardtop or holiday or bubble top. 394 V8 underneath the hood. Paint code in this car CLL, so that would be Polaris white and Cardinal red. Power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission. Take a look at the bright work. As far as the chrome, the grille, the headlight surrounds up here in the front of this car. What a great year for GM vehicles, 1959. Paint shows well on it. You can see the nice shine that this white has. Take your time looking through the still pictures. I'll tell you where to check those out in just a bit. I want to show you one thing. I did find one little blemish. I don't even know if I can get it to show up really. There's just like a little spot where there's a little tiny crack in the paint. Nothing major. This car will definitely take home some trophies. There's no doubt in my mind about that. Take a look at all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're seeing this on YouTube, click down below this video in the description. There's a link that's going to take you right there. You can call us also, 507-386-1726. Take a look at those Oldsmobile wheel covers and the beauty rings. Red steel wheels, wide white wall radials. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see again the paint shows well. Interior on it is a 30 trim code, so that'd be red, gray, and ivory. And that is a cloth and vinyl combination. You can see the paint does show well, not full of nicks, dings, or chips, especially anything major. As you can see, it has a nice shine to it. Take a little closer look at your interior. Also a nice shape. So this car looks very much the way it would have back in 1959. It rolled off the Oldsmobile dealer showroom floor. Little aftermarket set of gauges underneath the dash. At the end of this video, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of the video, we're going to take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. A few things. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Another thing, there is a lot of kind of original brochures, service manuals, paperwork, purchase agreements, paperwork between owners. It's believed to be original miles. Odometer reads 79,000 right now. Well cared for, well-known car in the Oldsmobile community. And it's a beauty, folks. Take a look at the chrome in the rear of this one. And again, how often do you see these in 1959? This year, model, and style. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the underside pictures of this car. Look at the pans, look at the frame. Look how nice the underside's finished off. Another thing to remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You can't make you look at this car yourself, maybe due to time or distance. Not a problem. Open door policy for those guys. We try to represent the cars as fairly as we can with these walk-around videos, and of course, starting it up, letting you hear it run, checking out the engine bay, and then taking you for a drive. Over 100 pictures of this car online on our website. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Door panels look good. I have not noticed any rips, tears, holes in the seats. Front and rears match. Headliner in this one also in nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, there's what the odometer reads, 79,298. There's the radio kick on. The radio does work. It actually sounds really good. Got the radio working. Take a look at the top of the dash. Also nice shape. Man, you want a car for your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. It's going to get some attention. Like I said, take home some trophies. Here it is. Sounds as good as it looks. The first owner actually sold this car, had it up till 1993. It was sold then with a little over 50,000 miles on it. All right. Let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped. All right, let's get a look under this hood. We have a battery disconnect right here. There it is. 394. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Got some of the original markings still back in the firewall. Oldsmobile Rocket. Stick around to the very end. We'll take the Oldsmobile Rocket out and have it power this car down the road. 1959 Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday. Wow. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a beautiful 1959 Oldsmobile Super 88. This is a two-door car in red and white and very nice looking. This is an automatic on the column. One of the cool features is the speedometer on this machine. If you could see it, it lights up from side to side like a thermometer filling with mercury, and then as you get to 35 it changes to yellow or orange, if you will. Very cool. Also working is our fuel gauge, which reads a quarter of a tank. Blower motor works, wipers work, factory looking radio also working. Very nice condition Oldsmobile. Looking nice inside and out, carpet good condition, seat in good condition, smooth ride, easy start, idles right away. Letting go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. No pull to either side. Horns are working. Brakes also working well, smooth braking. As you might expect in the corners, it has that luxurious lean. Corners nicely, easy to steer with that power steering. Our turn signal indicator is also working. Pushing down on the throttle, the kick down on the transmission is functioning as well. Nice stock factory sound to this car. Very little wind noise even in the winter in Minnesota. Very nice Oldsmobile. Take a look at the pictures and learn more about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.